Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to shoot a quick video talking about Tesley and how much it takes to make $1,000, $2,500, $5,000, or even $10,000 a month from this single stock YieldMax ETF. So you can see 6 hours ago they released this data. This is going to be the last payment for Group A ETFs in the month or in the year of 2024. But do keep in mind these will continually pay once a month. Based upon their schedule. So Tesley just paid or just announced that they will be paying $1.28 and then some change there added on to the end of it. So let's go ahead and take the numbers here, look at the calculations, and kind of assess it from there. So this is on our website. Definitely go check it out. It's just a free calculator that we like to use. So Tesla is currently trading around $17 per share. And then this is the dividend amount they're going to pay tomorrow, or not tomorrow, I'm sorry. The ex-dividend date is tomorrow, but they're actually going to pay on the Monday following because of the holiday yesterday. So we click calculate here on the calculator. Okay, we click calculate here, and this shows us our numbers. So if we zoom in a little bit so you guys can see it. So in order to make $1,000, so this is going to be per month, at the current price of Tesla, we're going to have to purchase roughly 778 shares, or that is going to cost us a total investment cost of $13,227. Jump it up to the next threshold, $2,500 per month. We're going to have to purchase 1,944 shares, or we're going to have to invest roughly $33,000 in some change there. Next one is $5,000 per month. It's going to cost us, or it's going to take 3,888 shares. So the share count is growing for sure. And that's going to take, roughly $66,135. And then lastly, $10,000 per month. It's going to take over 7,706 shares of Tesley, or it's going to take an investment cost of $132,000 and some change there, $270.60. So those are the numbers. I'll leave a link to this calculator down below. But yeah, I think Tesla's been on a tear. If we look at kind of what they've been doing, the past month, Tesla up 33.96%. So Elon and they're definitely finishing the year pretty strong here, up 82%. Looks like the high was around on 480. So it's pulled back a little bit since then, pulled back about 5.58%. Let's look at Tesla. So do keep in mind this chart is just the price return. It does not include dividends reinvested. So with that being said, we're down 29% just from a price return perspective. But we'll look at another data set here that includes, the total real return of Tesla. So, and we can do that if we do to total real returns. I already have some tickers in here, so let's just wipe out those. Okay. And then if we do this dating back to January of this year, and we take off inflation adjusted, we will see that up until, January or December 24th, the data hasn't updated on this website. But Tesla year to date is up 43.28%, including its dividend. So we saw on the previous page where it was actually down, but if you, calculate the distributions, it is actually up 43.28%, beating the S&P 500 year to date. So that's pretty good there. Obviously Tesla would have been a better play, but it's hard to, compare these two investments. Kind of like what I always preach, you can't really compare buying the direct underlying versus a covered call or option income strategy ETF. They're just different investments, right? Can't compare, you got to understand it. Comparable, to this as well. It's not really comparable to the S&P 500. So, with that being said, coming back to the calculator, these are the numbers that you would have to purchase as far as shares and as far as investment cost to reach these milestones. $1,000, $2,500, $5,000, or $10,000 per month from investing into Tesla. At this current price of the ETF and the current distribution payment of $1.28 there, and some change.